Hey there, my friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have sketch number 81 today. Okay, we're using Glorious Gingham for our project today. I'm using Lemon Lime Twist as my coordinating color. I've got 2 pieces of scrap from previous projects, and I'm stamping with Enduring Beauty for my image. So I stamped it in Memento ink. I'm going to color it with my blends. So I've got Granny Apple Green and Fresh Freesia as my blend colors. First I did the leaves and then I did the flowers. Okay, then I decided I'm going to go ahead and cut this out with my paper snips. If you have the coordinating dies, you could just die cut it. So here is my trimmed out image. Now I've got all my parts and pieces for my project, and you can get all the details on my mini tutorial subscriptions. The link is below. All right. I always start by folding and scoring my base with my bone folder. Next, I'm going to add my 2 pieces of DSP with liquid adhesive. I'm putting the longer one near the left-hand edge, stepped in just a little bit, and then I'm putting the smaller one over the top of that, stepped in again. Now I'm going to add my colored floral image. I'm putting it on dimensionals. I used quite a few because I want it to be well balanced. There it is on the front of my card. Now we're going to stamp right directly to the front of our card with Memento ink. I just put "You Mean So Much to Me" in the bottom corner. Next, I added a little bit of bling with the Glossy Dots assortment, and I put those in the center of the flowers. So let me know what you think of the project. We have a new month, so I have a new thank you card. So if you shop with me online, you will receive the new thank you project. Remember, you can subscribe here to the channel, and you can find me at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com. All right, that's it for today. Go do some fun stamping.